This is something I've been wanting to make for a long time, a bacon, lettuce, tomato cheesecake. I'm going to use a small cheesecake pan, 6 inches, and some Philadelphia cream cheese and some lettuce, dried tomatoes that are in olive oil, sour cream, crackers for the crust, butter for the crust, 2 eggs. You can use either shallot or part of a green onion, and of course bacon. And I think that's everything. Let's get started. I decided to bake the bacon. I baked it at 400 degrees for 16 minutes. And then I'm going to cut it up. I ground up 25 of these individual crackers, soda crackers or saltines, and I'm going to add some melted butter. I have my Springform Pan greased up with butter. We'll put the crackers in there. Press them down into the pan, and I'm going to bake this just a little bit, 350 degrees, maybe 10 minutes. This baked for 15 minutes. It's gotten a little brown around the edges. I'm going to set it aside to cool down. It just helps it set up. I'm going to I have 1.5 packages of the cream cheese. 1.5 packages. I'm going to put the mixer through it to make sure it's soft. It's been sitting out for a while. It's pretty soft. I'm happy with that. I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of sour cream, a generous pinch of salt, some white pepper, a little bit of that, a couple shakes. Add 2 eggs and mix this up. Alright, I have that all mixed up. I'm going to add the shallot, or you can use the green onion. I think the green onion tops would look nice in there. Here's the sun-dried tomatoes that were in oil. I chopped them up a bit. It's probably about 1/2 cup. Here's the bacon. About 3/4 a cup, I'd say. 1/2 pound. It is 1/2 pound cooked. We'll stir this in. I have all of it in my 6-inch Springform Pan. I'm going to, I have a double layer of foil here that I'm kind of bringing up the sides. I'm going to put it into a frying pan here, like that. I'm going to add hot water. About like that. This goes into my 325 degree oven. Here it is out of the oven. It baked for 40 minutes, and we'll let it cool down to room temperature. Here's my cheesecake. I took it out of the mold, and I put some lettuce around the bottom. And so let's have a cut on this and see what it looks like. It's been sitting out for a couple hours. Just take a A pretty big piece here. Then aside, some crackers. Let's move it on its side. Like that. It turned out great. It turned out really good. You can definitely taste the bacon. I think it needs a little bit more tomato. But other than that, it's excellent. I must say, it is excellent. Thank you so much for watching.